Hello, my name is Murray Guy of Integrated Designs Incorporated, a project management and commissioning company that specializes in delivering high-performance building projects. Today we are going to talk about lean project delivery and some case studies where we have utilized the integrated project delivery process. Our first experience with integrated project delivery came when we went to provide a commissioning proposal for the University of Winnipeg Richardson College for the Environment project that was significantly over budget and had very high expectations for performance. Sherman Kreiner first learned about our ability to deliver LEED Gold projects for no additional capital cost and basically invited us to become the owner's representative for the project. So working with Mansfield Construction, we very early recognized that we were not going to be able to get in the ground without having confidence in the numbers, and would never get board approval for this project without knowing that we were going to be able to deliver it on budget. So I actually gave Sherman a copy of the book Broken Buildings, Busted Budgets, which identifies the waste that's in the traditional design tender bid process, and through a series of meetings we're able to convince them that there's a better approach, and that there is 10% waste in the way that we do currently deliver buildings, and that it might just be the answer to fixing his problem. So they trusted us to implement integrated project delivery for this project, and fortunately the Architects Institute of America has all of the documentation and the system outlined, and we were able to come up with some very innovative, cost-effective design solutions to get this project back on track. I won't be able to get into all of them, but basically we built a good envelope. We came up with some unique strategies for 3 levels of airflow in labs. In your teaching lab, why do you need to move 8 air changes when you have all your chemicals put away? And we're actually taking fume hood exhaust through heat recovery wheels. And so because Semco has this wheel that has a purge section and an angstrom filter, so we're getting excellent heat recovery, only moving the amount of air that we need, and we've integrated the lab practice into our process and our commissioning so that we're achieving what we hope will be North America's most energy efficient building. And through all of this, we were able to bring it back down onto budget and build it for a $750,000 contingency on a $43.8 million project, which project managers would recognize is a very low contingency. Another project where we've implemented integrated project delivery is for the Churchill Northern Studies Center. It's in Churchill, Manitoba. We had to get in the ground before we had a complete design, and there was no way we could have achieved this without bringing in Penco Construction and all of the sub-trades to have, once again, to have confidence in the numbers and to be able to work to a very low contingency. So Michael Goodyear up there trusted us, read the book Broken Buildings, Busted Budgets, and we are going to have this project completed this spring. There's a picture of the building. It's LEED Gold++, very, very high performance building. Our target was LEED Platinum, but I don't think we're going to achieve it unless we get our wind turbine. So another project I'll just briefly mention: double wall construction, affordable housing for Nortep in La Ronge, Saskatchewan, built for $170 a square foot using integrated project delivery, working with a northern contractor, Waskahikan Builders, who are amazing to deal with, their team. And another very positive experience with integrated project delivery, as we did with Evident, a corporate office building. We're actually just still waiting for funding on this one, but during the design process, I'll never forget the day when Dennis Bertels said, "Geez, I can't believe you guys, the design team and the contractors act as though this is their own money that they're spending." So we kind of like comments like that. So integrated project deliveries is going to be the way we're going to be able to achieve net zero energy use for net zero additional capital cost. It is a great idea. It works. And so please join us in helping to change our world to make it a better place. Thank you for listening to me. I have a blog, Lean to be Green, and please, if you want some more additional information, visit that.